Okay, this is day one of working on the truck. We've already removed some parts. We're gonna take off the engine hood, disconnect the headers, unhook the alternator, and I don't know if you can see this guy, but this moth was sitting here on my truck when I got here today. Look at that guy. Pretty amazing. And so he's just hanging out. Look at the orange underneath there.
You're gonna help us.
He's gonna help us. Hi, I'm gonna fix your truck today. Ho 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 ho. So here we are, day one. Truck fixing.
Is that a stinger on the back?
Yeah, he's poisonous.
Definitely.
I'm gonna fix your truck.
Good thing he didn't decide to bite you.
I hope he doesn't have teeth. Okay, engine hood's off. Smooth tired. We gotta do fuel line, etc. Okay, so what we have done here is we've got the headers disconnected. We've got the radiator out. We've got everything that I can... Oh, the oil dipstick. We got to figure out how to take that out. Everything pretty much that I can assume is attaching the engine to the truck is undone, aside from the bell housing and the motor mounts. So the next step is to hook up said engine hoist. So look at all those parts. Here's the engine hoist. Imagine that, there's another 78 Ford truck. So we have this set on the 1,000 pound mark, and we're gonna put the hoist on the engine, then disconnect all the frigadiggers. It's gonna be exciting. So we can get this big mohucka out of the trucka. I forgot to smile at the camera and show you how happy I am about working on it. You want to paint the motor? What color should we paint it?
Red. Orange.
We can paint it orange. I'll approve that. My air filter's orange, notice. Note the orange air filter. I really think I need a big Holley 750 double pumper on this clunker. This is still truck day one. Everything is unhooked. The motor is coming up. I think it's going to work. I can't quite see yet. It's coming up. I got to get past the motor mounts. And then, I don't know, I've never done this before, so I'm figuring it out. Okay, let's pull on it.
Me?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Do it again. Jack it up. One more.
No, pull?
One more up. Whoa, yeah, there you go. Pull it. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Oh, the water in the engine. Right?
Yeah. Okay, we gotta go up. Looking good. Looking good. This is really scary. I've never taken a 1,000-pound engine out of a truck before. Holy shnikes. We just got to get this to clear. That was a lot of dead time right there. I'm doing a lot of heavy duty thinking right now. It's hard for me to narrate what's going on here. But this is really exciting. We're there, dude. We're there, dude. Put the thing back in the handle. Gently. Slide her back.
I'm trying. It's stuck on something.
Okay. Bueno. Ta-da! Ladies and gentlemen, we just pulled the friggin' motor out of the truck. This is totally on YouTube. Are you excited? Do you feel accomplished?
I'm excited.
Okay, let's lower it down nice and slow. Gently. That's all you get, folks. And somebody did a shortcut when they put this motor in the truck. And I'm paying the price for it. So I'm a happy camper. My motor's out. I'm going to take the clutch off, see how the flywheel looks. Engine's out. We're about to go into town and try to find a new flywheel. Look at that glazing. Glazing and cupping fried. So the flywheel is through. Could probably be resurfaced, but I think it's through. The clutch is nice and glazed. It's not worn out, but it's glazed. So we're going to get a new clutch, new throw-out bearing. How do you feel about that?
Do what you gotta do.
Okay, words of wisdom. And we're off to Napa to get some parts for the truck. What did you do today?